2025 is a year of dynamic shifts for Geminis. The early months may bring financial challenges and health concerns, requiring careful planning and prioritization of self-care. However, as the year progresses, opportunities for growth and personal development abound. Career advancements are likely, particularly in fields that require adaptability and communication skills. Love and relationships may experience some turbulence, but open and honest communication can strengthen bonds. Overall, 2025 presents a unique blend of challenges and rewards, urging Geminis to embrace change, cultivate resilience, and trust in their innate adaptability to navigate the year's twists and turns. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.